Welcome people to my YouTube channel, General Mind. Today's question is AI coming for your job? So recently, there's been a lot of hype about artificial intelligence. You might have heard of ChatGPT or Google Bard and many more tools like that. You might be wondering what is all this fuss about. Might have even tried out these AI models yourself. But let me tell you, we are just scratching the surface here. In this video, I will try to explain how AI will change our jobs in the future. This is a topic I am extremely passionate about because it is not only about technology, but also about our future. So let's dive in. First of all, what is AI? Well, AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is basically a field of computer science which aims at creating machines that can perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. For example, things like problem solving, decision-making, natural language processing, and many more. Now, this can be done through various means. One of them is machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI where the computer program learns from the data it is fed with. For example, if we want to teach a machine to recognize faces, we can feed it with thousands of pictures of people and then ask it to identify a new face. It is basically teaching the machine to learn from past experiences and make decisions based on them. Now that you know what AI is, let's move on to the main topic of today's video, which is how AI will change our jobs in the future. Well, to answer this question, we need to first understand what kind of jobs are there in the world. We can basically categorize all the jobs into 4 categories. Let's take a look. Category number 1. Manual labor. These are jobs that require physical strength and stamina. Examples include construction workers, factory workers, and farm workers. Category number 2. Routine task jobs. These are jobs that involve repetitive tasks that can be easily automated. Examples include assembly line workers, data entry operators, and truck drivers. Category number 3. Creative jobs. These are jobs that require creativity and imagination. Examples include artists, designers, and writers. Category number 4. Technical jobs. These are jobs that require specialized knowledge and skills. Examples include doctors, lawyers, and engineers. Now let's see how AI will impact each of these categories, starting with category number 1. Manual labor. Well, AI is not going to replace manual labor anytime soon. This is because most of these jobs require physical strength and stamina, which robots and machines cannot match up to. Moreover, these jobs often require working in dangerous environments, which is another challenge for AI. However, AI can definitely assist humans in doing these jobs. For example, AI-powered exoskeletons can help construction workers lift heavy objects with ease, or AI-powered tractors can help farmers work more efficiently. Moving on to category number 2, routine task jobs. Well, these are the jobs that are most vulnerable to automation. This is because most of these jobs are repetitive and can be easily automated. For example, a machine can easily replace an assembly line worker or a data entry operator, and this is already happening. Many companies are replacing their workers with robots and machines to save money and increase efficiency. What can we do about it? Well, the best thing to do is to learn new skills that cannot be easily automated. For example, skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Also, it is important to stay updated with the latest technological advancements and be willing to learn new things. Okay, moving on to category number 3, creative jobs. Well, this is a tough one because AI is already starting to make inroads into this sector as well. AI-powered tools can now generate images, videos, and even music. In fact, AI-generated content is becoming so popular that many companies are now hiring AI content creators. So what does this mean for the future of creative jobs? Well, I think that AI will not replace creative professionals anytime soon. This is because creativity is a highly subjective process that involves a lot of personal expression. However, AI can definitely assist creative professionals in their work. For example, AI-powered tools can help artists generate new ideas or help writers overcome writer's block. The key is to learn how to use AI to your advantage and not be afraid to experiment. Finally, we have category number 4, technical jobs. This is another sector where AI is making inroads. AI-powered tools can now diagnose diseases, draft legal documents, and even code software. Again, this raises the question, is AI going to replace technical professionals anytime soon? Well, I don't think so. This is because these jobs require a lot of specialized knowledge and skills. However, AI can definitely assist technical professionals in their work. For example, AI-powered tools can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately or help lawyers research case laws more efficiently. Let me share an example to make things more clear. Imagine you are a software engineer. Your job involves writing code, testing code, and then fixing bugs in the code. Well, AI can help you with all three of these tasks. AI-powered tools can help you write code faster and more accurately. They can also help you test code to find bugs and fix them. This means that you can do your job more efficiently and effectively. So in this case, AI is not replacing you, but rather it is assisting you in doing your job better. So what does this mean for the future of jobs? Well, I think that AI is not going to wipe out all the jobs, but rather it is going to change the nature of jobs. In the future, most jobs will be done by humans and machines working together. This is also known as the human-machine collaboration. In this scenario, humans will take on the more creative and strategic roles, while machines take on the more routine and repetitive tasks. So what can you do to prepare for the future of work? Well, here are 5 things you can do. Number 1, focus on developing skills that cannot be easily automated. These include skills like critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Number 2, stay updated with the latest technological advancements. This means being aware of the latest trends in AI and other technologies, and understanding how they can impact your industry. Number 3, be willing to learn new things. The pace of technological change is only going to accelerate in the future. So you need to be willing to learn new things and adapt to new technologies quickly. Number 4, network with people in your industry. By networking with others in your field, you can stay up to date with the latest trends and also learn about new opportunities that may arise in the future. Number 5, don't panic. Yes, AI is a powerful technology, but it is not going anywhere. By following the steps above, you can position yourself to thrive in the future of work. Remember, AI is not coming for your job, but rather it is transforming it. And those who embrace the change will be the ones who thrive. So don't be afraid of AI. Instead, learn how to use it to your advantage. And always remember, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.